If you just had a total knee replacement surgery and you're dealing with calf pain, it's a really common problem. You're not the only one. I'm going to show you two simple solutions that I recommend my patients do at home. I emphasize my patients because these are patients that I've evaluated, that I'm working with, and I know that they're clear, they don't have blood clots or other complications that might need medical attention. If you have been cleared by your physical therapist, these two solutions are really simple, really inexpensive. One is using a simple tire shock. I can purchase these at Walmart, on Amazon. These are the things that go behind the tires for a camper or an RV, or if you jack up a car, this keeps it from rolling away. They're very inexpensive. The other one is a half foam roll. So both of these are available. The simplest way to do it, you put it in front of the kitchen sink, or you put it in front of somewhere that allows you to hold on to a stable surface. You set the heel on the floor. The ball of the foot is about at the top of the dome if you're using the foam roll. And we're gonna do two different distinct stretches. The first is a stretch for the gastrocnemius. That's the big muscle that crosses behind the knee. All I'm doing is I'm trying to extend the knee, so I tighten the quad. I relax the calf muscle and I keep the heel on the floor. I can do one foot at a time, or I can do both feet at the same time. I'm leaning, bringing my hips forward. As soon as my heels start to come up, I've gone too far. So I just back off a little bit. I hold this position 30 seconds, maybe a minute. The idea is you want to hold it long enough to allow the muscle to relax and stretch. But once you pass a certain duration, you're not going to get any additional benefit. So 30 seconds to a minute, I stay in this position. The other option is with the tire shock. And the same thing. I set it up so my toe is at the top, my heel is on the floor. I tighten the quad to help with knee extension while I'm relaxing the calf, and I allow the knee to stretch. The back of the knee, the posterior aspect. Some people will have a Baker cyst back here. It's totally safe to stretch over the Baker cyst. I would hold this position 30 to 60 seconds. Now, the alternative version of this is I allow the knee to bend. What this does is it relaxes the gastrocnemius and it stretches the soleus, which is the deeper layer of muscle. The soleus muscle does not cross the back of the knee. It does not help with knee extension, but it does potentially produce that soreness in the calf after a total knee replacement. So with the knee bent, I still keep my heel on the floor. I'm driving my knee forward in a lunge position. I would hold this for 30 to 60 seconds. I could do the same soleus stretch with the half foam roll. Heel on the floor, ball of the foot up there. I'm driving the knee forward, and I maintain this 30 to 60 seconds. In another video, I'll show you how to massage the calf muscle as another way to reduce some of that calf soreness and pain.